to take these brakes off is a really weird setup. So long story short, I'm gonna show you how to put these back. So you gotta be mindful that these brakes here, so you see this one? It actually has a hole right there. See it? And inside of that hole goes something called an anti-rattle spring. And the way that works is one pack goes in on one side and the other on the other. Once you do that, you put this here like so, and that kind of holds it there. Pry it down a little bit, you can get the shims in a lot easier. So yeah, based on what I saw in the front, we definitely need to check the rears and install some new drum brakes in this thing. And yeah, I got those around, so let's hope they fit. I had luck the last couple of times. I went ahead and used some brake cleaner, cleaned it all up. I gotta say it's surprisingly clean in here. That's the brake shoe that's in there, and this is what it should be. So you can see there, just for comparison. Yeah. Alrighty, and there you go, brand new brakes. Couple tips to give you guys. What can I say? Put this on first. Then you're gonna get some help. Put one end in here, pull hard, put over, make sure you open the reservoir cap so that it collapses the cylinders in here. What else? This goes in afterwards. The arm behind here that's being held by this spring here is where you hear the ratcheting action. You have to make sure it goes down and under. You can put it and then you can pop it under. The spring here goes underneath the backside, and that's pretty much it, man. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. However, I will have to bleed the brakes though.